For the first time ever, the chalet at the Lodge at Vail is on the market.
This home is the original owner. It's never been rented. It's in immaculate condition.
And the location doesn't get any better.
It's the closest to the gondola that you can possibly get. Walk out the door to shopping, dining, restaurants, everything's at your fingertips. The location is the most premier in the Vail Valley.
With more than 4,600 square feet, this 4-bedroom residence is a one-of-a-kind.
Great for entertaining. It's also great for multi-generational families who have younger children. You have bedrooms on each level, so each part of the family or family members have their own space. And then you come up to this main living level, which has the kitchen, living, dining, and plenty of space to entertain as well.
Soak up the views of the Gore Range or whip up a meal in the European-style gourmet kitchen with center island. Then gather for a feast in the dining room. Then take the commercial elevator down to the lower level.
It's a large space for entertaining. It has high ceilings. It's probably over 1,000 square feet. And it also has a 3/4 bathroom and full bar setup.
Watch a movie or catch the big game while playing pool. When it's time to crush the powder, you're just steps away from Gondola 1, and there's a rare opportunity for the new owner.
When you buy this property, you have the opportunity to be part of the Vail Mountain Club membership, and there's people that have been waiting for years to get in.
From storing your gear and dining to access to the gym, pool, and spa, all of the perks of the Vail Mountain Club are right at your fingertips.
This is the best location you can possibly get for skiing and for village access in Vail Village.
Adding even more value, this owner's heated garage, gated with plenty of room, including 2 spaces and storage area. And getting here is a breeze.
If you're coming from Denver, it's about 2 hours away, direct on I-70, or if you're coming from the Eagle Airport, it's about 45 minutes away.
Don't miss your chance to own one of Vail's crown jewels. Call today for a private tour and come experience the chalet at the Lodge at Vail before it's gone.